I'm just doing a quick little video today to show you what I call a 2-minute journal. Some days you're just too busy and you just feel like you've not got time for crafts, work, chores, etc. And life gets in the way. But I think sometimes you can just make 2 minutes of your day, one less scroll on your phone or something. So this is my little art journal, which you can just spend 2 minutes, scribble something down, make a pattern, make a few marks, clear some things off your desk, stick them in. Nothing special, you just feel like you've done something, so it's good. So the front of it is a bird on a nest. It's a bird image that I cut out of a bird book, and lots of scraps that are left on my desk from cutting things out, and threads from cutting. So that's the front. But the actual little book is being made from a cereal box, which I've cut into strips and then join them together like that, so that you've got all these different concertina style, all these different squares, and then it's like 2 minutes 2 inches sort of thing. Whoops, I dropped it, just a moment. I'm on a park bench, it's got a hole in the middle. Right, so yeah, what I've done is take some squares which are just 2 inches. You see it's not straight, but it's just for myself. And this one is a pressed flower. So that was part of the garden find prompt. It's just there's my 2-inch square. All I've done is glue a pressed flower down, which I've had in a book pressing. Put some dotted lines around it and a scrap of paper which I've stamped on top of a book page, so you've got 2 lots of text there. On this one, that was a flower cut out of a printable, and behind it is also some printed book page that's been stamped on. And then I actually hand sewed around this one with some red thread and stuck it in. The backgrounds are just scraps of paper from my digitals just to cover it up. This is one that fits the circle prompt. It wasn't actually the one I did for the prompt in my actual main junk journal, but there's also the circle in this one as well. This is kind of like running alongside the junk journal, so sometimes I'll do an extra one in here, sometimes I'll do it in here instead. So that's my circle one. Basically just doodle some circles, die cut circle, die cut wavy circle, and die cut button. This one is just a little doodle, and I've just put dotted lines around the edge, a few squiggles, a few dots, and that's it. Some flowers. That's a sticker in the middle that somebody sent me in Happy Mail, so it fitted nicely there. Some more garden find prompt pages. These are petals that have been pressed. This one I actually stamped with blue and purple ink. No, black ink, sorry. Purple, if you can make out the purple one there, with some squiggles around it, and that one with a stamped image. This one with slow stitch. So this is an actual faux leaf that I've just stitched through the veins and then pressed a leaf, stuck a pressed leaf on top, so that fitted that prompt. This is the garden find prompt. Lots of leaves all stacked up together, all different sizes, and then once they're glued on, I've just sewn a button on it. Well, I stitched the thread through the button and then glued it on. Now I've got these pages ready to put squares, so nothing on them yet. That one, as I was doing the circle one, I decided to do a triangular one. So this is another stamp from the actual leaf before I stuck it on the other page. Some scraps ready to use on there from the inspiration pack. That's just another page that I've done. Nothing to do with junk journal July, that one. Also nothing to do with it as such. We did have a butterfly prompt. That's a piece of tissue and some dots around it. They're just ready to work on. And I've got one more press leaf, part of the garden find prompt. So perhaps you'll join me in making a small journal. Just take 2 minutes out of each day and do anything. Clear your desk, few doodles, whatever, just so you feel like you've done something gentle for yourself, for your own well-being, whether it's a junk journal July or any other time of year. I'll be back soon with a flick through of my junk journal in a couple of days. But I just wanted to give you that update for now. And today I'm sat in this beautiful garden. I've just nipped to the post office, sent some happy mail, and I thought, well, I'll just nip over and just film in this lovely little garden. So peaceful here, and yet it's just off the main road. Okay, bye for now.